Great morning to my fellow traders and everybody else who's watching. Today is Friday. I'm just watching right now. We got a few high impact announcements this morning. First, we got coming up at 8:30. I'm on Eastern time. So 7:30 Central, we have the U.S. PCE Price Index, U.S. Core PCE Price Index, and the U.S. Consumer Spending. All of those happen at the same time, and those are high impact announcements, so there might be a market mover. Then we have the University of Michigan Sentiment Final. That's another high impact announcement that happens at 9 o'clock Central. And then we have the Fed Monetary Policy Report, another high impact announcement at 10. So we got 3 of them going on this morning, so those are some to watch out for. Today may be the day that I become funded, everybody. My account is at $52,710.66. One trade could get me there $289.34 short. So I'm really looking to just take one trade today and having that done. So hopefully we spot the right formation, right setup for me to do a scalp for at least 20 points. But if I come up a little short, I'll just switch to MNQ and do micros instead of mini. But right now we on the NQ, $20 a point. The goal is to get 53,000. Could have did some micro scalps off of these highs. Let's see, this one, first high, what it gave you. You could have got 10 points off of it, 11 points if you would have stayed in after each retest. So after it swung down from this high right here, created that one, swung up, another high, swung up, another high. Each time it came up and retested, it dropped lower and lower. You would have got 11 points right here if you would have stayed in. So it would have been some good elevator going down moves. That's if you was looking for, scalps to sell the highs. Could have bought these lows too. It's a good low to buy. That one would have been another good one. Elevator going up. It would have got you a good 14 point. ATR is at 555. Here's alarm clock going out. Ain't nobody woke up and said Alexa stop yet. I don't know what time these boys went to sleep, but they are out. Let me go cut this alarm clock off. I'll do some push-ups while I'm up waiting. See our ATR is increasing, 5.74, 5.79. See our volume increasing over here too. So as the volume increases, the ATR increases as well. It's a whole lot of accumulation or consolidation going on right here. Since it's high, we've been down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, staying in this range. So all of this is accumulation. So we may see some manipulation for the announcement coming up here shortly. That's the manipulation on the distribution. So we'll see. The distribution should be to the upside. It should be bullish. But I could be wrong. Can't fully predict the market. The market's gonna do what it's gonna do. So I like to follow price action. Look like we got a strong push moving up right now though. We just swung up, created this new high. Took out this high right here. And typically I do not trade I don't trade the announcement candles. I have, and I will do it sometimes, but majority of the time, I like to let the announcement happen and then wait to make a move afterwards when the dust settle down a little bit. But I have been known to take a trade at the announcement, and a lot of times it was successful. But you just want to be careful because it can go either way, like I said, because those announcement candles are manipulation. You can get caught up in it, mess around and lose money or give money back to the market and be a lesson learned. I don't like saying losing and losses. I like to take L's as lessons learned. If anything is a loss, it's considered a lesson to me or a lesson for me that I learned from. It's a good move going up. I actually started to buy from right here, the top of this week. All Alright, we got a gap that it made right here. So that created some displacement. When the candlestick rushes in one direction like that, it creates displacement within the price. So it has to most likely retrace that. So when you see a fast moving candlestick going in either direction, be looking for it to retrace. Be looking for the next candlesticks after that to retrace those displacement candles. Let's see our KST crossed above the zero line right here. That's usually an indication for a buy. So as you see, that's what we did. Cross above the zero. The zero is this dashed line right here. So we crossed and then we shot up. So that was a good signal. It created some double highs right here. And now you see it retracing. It's another gap that was made. And just to confirm it, yep, shows the same thing on NinjaTrader from my gap indicator. All right, we are a little under 7 minutes away from the 8:30 announcement. With the way these wicks set up and the way these wicks forming, to me this is a reversal pattern. We shot up here, made this high, and now we struggling to continue going up. It's accumulating. And some of you may be wondering why I haven't taken the trade yet, because I could have got the 14.5 points that I'm looking for, and very well could have gone both ways. But I was not looking to just, hop into a trade. Plenty of opportunities that I had, and I'm not afraid or anything like that. I just want to take the trade that I want to take and not do any impulse trading. So if I feel that price is moving, the price action is strong enough for me to go in another direction besides my bias, then I will. But right now, I'm just waiting it out. There's no need to rush. It's a marathon, not a rat race.
Order filled.
Let me go cancel this one. It's a gap that was created right there. From the bottom of this wick to the top of that wick, got these double low created right here. Got my target at 14.5 points. Just need you to come down all the way. Give me 14.5, then you can do whatever you want to do.
Order filled.
All right, we'll take that. Feel like if I would have been patient, it would have gave it to me. Yeah, it would have gave it to me.
Order filled.
It broke this area of support. It might be time for me to get out the trade. Let's see. Could be getting ready to reverse. Oh, come on. Don't play with me like that. Don't play with me like that. Come on down. 170. I know you see it. As I see it, one good push down. That's all you need is a good push. There you go. Come on. Come on.
Order filled.
There we go. 53,006 cents. We are there, ladies and gentlemen. We are there. We are there. We are there. 10-15 king. Yay. Feels good. See, a little bit of patience, trusting your trade. Yeah, that 8:30 announcement rocked us. Set a new high for the day for now. But I am happy. I'm grateful, satisfied with that. And I think we're done for the day. I'm gonna wait for my report to come back from Topstep, see what they say, if I need to gain a little bit more, because one day I did make like $1,456 or something like that. But we'll see what they require me to do after that. And then your boy is funded. I got the $3,000. Started with 50K. The goal was to get 53K. So then they give me an account with starting over with 50K, but then I can get paid from that account from every 14 days. So I can pay myself every 2 weeks off the money that I made from trading in the funded account. And that's what the goal was. I remember last year in December, I made a certificate of completion for passing the combine, the 50K combine with Topstep, and put my name on it so I can visualize it, seeing it before it actually happened. Here we are, 6 months later. I did it. So proud of myself. And for everybody that's watching, set goals for yourself, man. If you got a way to look at it, see it physically, imagine it, if you can put it together, if you can make a design on the computer, or if you need help making a design on the computer, reach out to me. Let me know. I'll make one for you. Put your name on it so you can see it, so you can vision it, and then just go for your goals. Go for what you see. Go for what you want. Work towards it. Stay consistent. I got this by being consistent, being patient. whole lot of patience. But that's all I got for now, y'all. So happy trading. Y'all be safe. Trade responsibly. Manage your risk. I know I say that and y'all may see me not put one stop loss up here, but I was doing it manually. I knew how much I was gonna risk. I wasn't gonna risk any more than 400. So I'm good with what I got. And 10-15 King out.